Righto. Shoot, or shall I say, feature number 2. Driving in the fucking down car today, so hopefully everybody can hear me. I'm on the route now to go pick Fabian up. Hy sê ek mors met sy drinktyd, so jammer om van jou kant te hoor Fabian. Anyways, yeah, we're shooting Camerons Caddy today. And I know the lineup is the first 2 cars is already VWs. So yeah, we're heading off to town for that shoot, and then I'm gonna catch you guys with Fabian from the car. Go, Cameron has just arrived. How's it, Jane? Cheers. Fabian met sy fucking bier. Yeah, so we're gonna start shooting now. We're just probably gonna vlog a bit later on our way home. I don't wanna vlog in the car, man, the car's too loud. But yeah, we're gonna take some photos now and video. How's it, guys? Sorry for yesterday's shortcutting of the vlogging. We ran a bit into time constraints and stuff, so Fabian wasn't able to be on camera. I've got Brett here with me. We're on our way to shoot Quentin's workshop. We're hopefully going to get one of Quentin's drift cars to take a few shots of that. And then obviously the workshop feature, or not the workshop, the builders feature that we are implementing in the synthesis movie. So far in the movie is 7 minutes, I think. Brett is also going to try some techniques to this drone. Yeah, the drone footage helps paint a different picture and stuff. But yeah, we'll catch you guys now in a few minutes by Quentin's shop.
My past is my present, babe. Yeah, I make decisions to glow. Ridiculous flow, potential to glow. You know, I just do that. Consolidate my regions, line it up, put them together. Anyone that ever let me down, forget them forever. My memory's bad, remember me though? My memory's gone. My memory, it limits me home. No tree huggers, cause all the lumber's gone. Niggas knocking on wood, pass through the hood when it's good and they chopping up wood. Breaking up stems, tilting my brim. With a limp like a pimp, though I'm shaped like a wimp. They put no fear in him, it's just me and the end of my timeline. Flow like a fine wine, smelling like fine pine. Yeah, it's this thing.
We shot some footage at Quentin's place, but the car wasn't ready yet. He's having some teething issues. So hopefully next weekend, he said, next weekend, before Slam at the Lake, we might be able to get some drift shots in. We're just scouting for a location now for some drone footage that we want to insert in the film again. So we'd rather have enough aerial shots and stuff rather than too little. But yeah, catch you guys on the next episode. So this episode is only going to consist of the vlogging of Quentin's place, and then obviously the vlogging part of Camerons Caddy. catch you guys with next week's reveal of which car we're going to feature. Until next time, cheers.